Hi, my name is Victor Wanjahi, aka the Young African Prince. As you can see, that is me right there. When you imagine me, you see him. When you see him, you see me. You get the whole point. But today I'm going to be talking about paying college athletes. Let's get it started. As you can see, my question is, should college athletes get paid? I believe they should get paid. The way it shaped me is I saw what they go through. Although I haven't experienced it yet, I have seen the struggles, the heartache, and just hard work they put into helping this college they signed 4 years to, just for them to make money off of them. I arrived at this topic, or my thesis statement, because I read that NCAA has a rule. It's called the 20-hour rule. No student athlete is allowed to go over 20 hours of practice. But there's a loophole in this rule. They didn't include game film, conditioning, stuff like that. They just said practice. So, and lifting weights, stuff like that. It's just hard. Let's put it that way. As you can see, some of these facts, that's like the first one. Normal students are better off than athletes or people on scholarship, because normal students can get a job, they can actually work for money, but NCAA rules that we're not allowed to get paid and to have any kind of source of income while playing at this high level. As well as they work so hard just for a couple of games a year. And I'm just talking about basketball. And those 50 hours I was talking about, that's just in the sport itself. It's not including their classes, their other academic goals they have, or why they're there. That's just pure practice. Weightlifting, film, just constantly working on the game. The only reason why I have one counter argument is because this man is one of my favorite players. His name is Charles Barkley. And as you can see, he says, first of all, there's not too many good players in college. Less than 1% are going to play in the NBA. What about the 99% that is getting a free education? Think about it. That stuck to me because that's also true. Many college athletes are pretty decent. None of them are really NBA status. Probably overseas, but NBA. So why would we pay decent players? But then again, why wouldn't we pay decent players for devoting all that time? I believe why these solutions would help out in this cause is because mainly people are worried about overpaying the players, or like, oh, when they're going to get paid, stuff like that. Well, one solution in mind would be just giving them a bond, holding that bond until the end of the year, or if they decide, if they're graduating, give it to them at the end of their college career and let them cash out, because most college students, even college athletes, go out into the world, no job lined up, no money. Wouldn't it be nice to have that security? Just playing. I played and I earned this. This is a call to action. I'm pretty sure everyone out there would not want to work so amount of hours for free, bust their butts, and not get paid a dime. Although even if you loved your job, money will come down, but you'd want to be treated for your works and your efforts. So if you don't want, I mean, athletes are told the college level to treat it like a job. I mean, a job is a job. You're supposed to get paid, right? I made these choices because I feel like athletes are puppets, I don't know if that makes sense, like athletic puppets. And here's my works cited. Bang, bang. I think bangity, bang, bang.